What's up guys, today I have with me BMW M850i, the 8 Series Coupé. That looks just phenomenal. I know it's not a brand new car, it's already on the market for 1.5 years if I'm not wrong, and it's just phenomenal. I mean, if you want to buy a coupe, this might be one of the most attractive, beautiful design and also powerful. So if you need a little bit of BMW power, this might be one of the best option for you when it comes to a coupe. Now guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Automatic. I will leave the link in the description if you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive the car. Check out Automatic in Bern, link will be in the description. Also, they have great discounts. For example, if I'm talking about the discounts, the price of this BMW M850i, because it's not a brand new car, it's already have around 20,000 kilometers. The price is 92,800 francs. I will add the price in dollar as well. And keep in mind that if you would buy this car 1.5 years brand new, the price will be 185,000 francs. That means you have half of the price and only 20,000 kilometers. For me, 20,000 kilometers, it's like a brand new car. It's a great price. Half of the price, it's a great deal. Anyway, check out the website, guys, Automatic, if you want to see the car or buy it. Now, let's go to technical data before we drive, because in this video, it's all about driving. I will drive the car and we will see how it's on the road and how it's handling. If you want to see the full review, interior, exterior, quality material, space, and stuff like that, check out the full review video. I will have a separate video. If it's not already on the channel, click the subscribe to see the notification when that video will come out. Now, very important, the car comes with a 4.4 liter petrol engine, V8, 530 horsepower, 750 Newton meters, 0 to 100, 3.7 seconds, and the maximum speed, the top speed, 250 km per hour. All this power is connected with an 8-speed automatic transmission Steptronic. So this system from BMW, it's amazing. I mean, you will see as we start driving, the feeling in this combination, it's unique. Also, as a very important information, the fuel tank capacity is 68 liters. The drag coefficient is 0.33 and the turning circle 11.9 meters. The car comes with double wishbone independent suspension on the front, multi-link independent on the rear, ventilated brake disc on the front and ventilated brake disc on the rear, 20-inch rims. In terms of consumption, I don't know if that's so important, but it's around 10 liters, guys. Yeah, let's start driving and then in the end we will make the conclusion. All right, guys, here is the key. By the way, it's the same key, the same shape and design of the key as BMW use it on other model. The only difference is that here we can see the chrome also on the buttons, and it's a little bit more heavier. I don't know why. It feels quite good quality. What you can do with the key, of course, lock and unlock the car. It comes with electric folding mirrors. Also, you can unlock the car by having your hand here. The car comes with those 20-inch rims, beautiful M rims, ventilated brake disc on the rear, blue brake calipers, ventilated brake disc on the front, huge brake discs, and also we have here 4 pistons with M logo on the brake caliper. Beautiful car. More about that, more information, interior, exterior, I have a separate video. Check out on my channel. There you find out everything about the car, guys. Huge entrance here when you open the door. Also M850i carbon core, beautiful plate at the entrance, aluminum pedals, electric adjustable seats. We have those super high quality seats right here, also comfortable and sporty in the same time, because you have this side support to hold you there. The car comes with a lot of features, a lot of great features, but if you want to find out more, check out the review, guys. For example, this Bauer and Wilkins sound system, check out the video, guys. The review, it's probably already on the channel. Press the brake, start engine button in this crystal design. We have this on this stalk here with 8 in the middle. Beautiful, I should say, beautiful stalk here. 4 different driving modes, electronic handbrake, auto hold, adaptive mode. The car will choose for you how to drive. Then you have the Eco, Pro and comfort mode, and then you have sport mode. It's incredible. I mean, the sound is just, oh my god. I will show you that as well. Let's drive the car. The car comes also with 360 degrees camera when you want to park the car, or yeah, I will show you when we come back. Anyway, Guys, I will shut up most of the time. I will try to shut up and I let you enjoy the ride. It comes with a head-up display. You can see it directly on the windscreen. Great head-up display, great brightness there. Also M steering wheel with that great grip, finger grip. It's phenomenal. First of all, the feeling, the driving feeling, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's smooth, the pedals feel smooth, the steering wheel feel great, great grip, great visibility. Oh, and the seats are also fantastic. Let's go out here. Wow, how smooth. Wow. Oh boy, it's something else. I drive today before the BMW 1 Series M135, but this one, it's something else. I mean, this 8 Series M850i. Wow, I mean, the way it feels, the steering, the pedals are smooth and nice. The sound insulation inside the cabin, it's incredible. I mean, I barely hear something from outside. Turning circle. Pretty good. The steering, it's a little bit stiffer. It's normal, it's typical for BMW, but it gives you that great feedback to the ground. We are in eco mode and the car feels incredible responsive. Another thing that I notice is that right now the car is in eco mode and the engine V8, it's crazy silent. If I barely hear it. Wow. And the way it stopped, the way the things are working, press the acceleration, stop. Wow, the transition of auto hold and acceleration and stop, and it's wow. Wow, boy, the suspension, the way it fit everything together is just crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Even in eco mode, the car pushed me back in the seat when I accelerate a little bit harder. Wow, it's a beast. I can't feel any vibration from the engine. Oh my god. Even in eco mode, it pushed me back in the seat. Incredible hard. Great grip on the ground. Oh wow, the grip on the ground, it's perfect. Wow, how silent is the engine. It's like electric car. Go in comfort mode. I can feel like the engine, it's a little bit more responsive right now. The steering, it's a little bit more easier. Oh yeah, I like that. It's much more softer. Wow, it's also more rapid when you accelerate. It feels that push you back in the seat a little bit. Good visibility in the mirrors, by the way. I almost forget about the mirrors and the visibility to talk about that. This is everything, it's premium. Now guys, let's go in sport mode. Very good sound insulation. Wow. Wow, you hear it? You hear the exhaust? Oh my god. I have no words, boy. Oh my god, it pushes you back in the seat incredible hard. Wow. can't believe that. It's like, wow, it feels so much like an electric car, like a Tesla. Now you hear that sound in sport mode. That's the difference between eco mode and sport mode. It's such a big difference. Eco mode, it's like smooth, light, and you go in sport mode and everything change. When you look at it, it's silent, smooth, comfortable, and then business, and then you wanna get crazy. Just wow, 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 wow. I love the car. I really love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's just wow. And I was thinking electric cars are fun to drive. Oh, wait until you try this 8 Series. Wow. Respect, BMW. I drive so many cars, so many sport cars. Boy oh boy, BMW know how to make those sporty cars, I tell you guys. They know how to do them. Also, the car can read the traffic speed limits, lane assist, all that safety features. I don't think make any point. Oh, wow. The way it stays on the curve, the way it stays on the ground, the way it gripped this xDrive, it's lovely, man. I mean, it comes with lane assist and all that safety features. You can see you can activate it by press of a button. Press of a button. It's physical button, so easy to adjust, to set up. You can see on the head-up display there. Look at this, the car stay between the lanes. It is fabulous. I mean, the car is fabulous. You can see LED lights here on the steering wheel warn you to put your hand on the steering wheel, but the car is still doing a great job. And this autopilot, it's one of the best. Let me deactivate it. It's not about autopilot here, it's about yeah, hard to drive this car in a country where you have the speed limit everywhere. It is a beast, man. It's a beast. Go in eco mode and then look at this eco mode. You already feel the pedals when you press the pedals in eco mode. They are so smooth and it accelerates so slow right now in this moment. It's so slow and steady, and you can get some better consumptions. And it's so silent on the street. If you don't want to make noise in the night time, you can drive in eco mode, come home, and it feels crazy smooth. No vibration. When you are in eco mode, you don't feel any vibration in the steering wheel, in the pedals from the engine. The engine is running crazy smooth. You're like a cat right now, so silent. In the same time, you have both words here, worlds, like silent now like a cat or like a beast. Phenomenal car, really incredible. I have to tell you, I love the car. I love it, guys. When you go in reverse, by the way, go in reverse, you have a 360 degrees camera there, so you can park the car super easy. You have different views here, different cameras on the side, You have the possibility to see in a three-dimensional view, just like that. You can see what it's around the car there. So just simple, press the park and then you are in park right now. The mirrors are dimming down, good visibility in these mirrors. Surprisingly, I didn't expect that, to be honest. Electronic handbrake, auto hold, gorgeous visibility in the mirrors around the car. I can't believe I'm driving a coupe, and the feeling when you drive, it's, oh wow, it's unique. I mean, I drive so many cars, but this 8 Series is just so serious. It's a serious deal. Guys, you have to try it if you have the money. If you need a coupe, a sporty coupe, you must try this 8 Series. Just fabulous. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was fun for you too. I hope you get some useful information from here. If you like it, please like it, share it, subscribe. I will really appreciate that. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive the car, check out Autoverkehr in Switzerland. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check them out. If you want to buy the car, if you want to test drive the car, if you want to see the car, check them out guys. Link will be in the description. My rating for this BMW M850i from 1 to 10 will be 9.9. It's a fabulous car, really. I love it, really awesome, super fun to drive. You forget about everything. I mean, if you have problem at work, at home, with your wife, with your kids, with stress with your boss, or with your company, you have a lot of stress with your company, with your employees, you just go inside the car and until home you forget everything. Nice car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.